All right. I feel like I'm gonna really cringe at this freaking video. Here we go. What's up, guys? Happy New Year's. If you're thinking, what the heck is this girl out here doing a freaking video? It's freaking cold. So, today I got some exciting news. I might be a little bit too excited but today I woke up to my first 2 opt-ins, okay? And maybe this is not really even anything to make a video about, but I was just so excited to see like real people on there, their names, Mike and Dustin. I just encourage you to keep on the process of signing up for this thing and seeing if it works for you. It's already pretty much kind of working for me, even though I haven't made any money off of it, but I see where it can be really powerful. And I just watch the people on YouTube that I've seen. I've seen people go from, like me, to making nice money monthly with this thing. If you didn't catch what's going on in that video, you literally just watched me make the first proof video basically I ever made in my life, and that was 6 years ago. I was in a program called Instant Payday Network. That was the first program I ever joined. It's not around anymore. With that video, I was talking about how I was excited because I got my first 2 opt-ins, or you want to say leads, into that business. I even said in the video, I haven't even made any money yet. I literally said that on the video, but I showed any proof I could. Hey, look, this is a start. 2 people opted into my business. They have some interest in this thing. This could turn into something powerful. You saw me making the video outside because at that time, when I was with my parents, living in my parents' house, nobody knew what I was doing. I didn't tell anybody what I was doing online to try to make money because I knew they were all gonna freaking tell me how stupid I was for falling for any of this. It was either Saturday or Sunday. I woke up and checked my phone and saw that I had 2 notifications from that program saying, hey, you got 2 people that are interested in your business. They opted in. They're a lead. They're in your email list. I got so excited. My heart started pounding because I was like, this is it. This is the start. And it was a weekend. Everybody was home and I couldn't make a video because everybody was there. I literally woke up early, jumped out of bed because I threw some clothes on, grabbed my tripod and my iPhone 4S phone at the time, and I got in my car and drove my tail to a park. It was cold. It was a little bit rainy just to make that video. So crazy to watch those older videos I have, because I went from literally making videos saying I haven't made money yet to basically now I've gone on to make videos, as you guys have seen, of me making consistent income on a daily basis. I'm saying $200, $300, $400 on a daily basis. Recently, I had my first over $700 day. A little bit of time to get where I'm at, but I did. Some of you are just not consistent enough. Some of you guys aren't excited enough to get even the smallest wins in your business and you give up and quit. The point of this video is to show you where I started and to show you that if you're consistent, you can go from what you just saw, where I'm like, don't even know what the heck I'm talking about half the time in that video, and go from that to where I'm at now. That video you saw, that was literally days after I had actually joined that particular opportunity. You've got a chance right now to become a part of an opportunity that I've been talking about for the longest freaking time. Well, it hasn't been that long. It's really been since December, but it feels like I've been in it for like a year. When you join me, you're gonna get the information that I had to struggle to figure out on my own a lot faster, so you don't have to try to figure every single thing out on your own. There will be things you have to learn. There will be things you're gonna have to learn on your own, but I want to make that process as easy for you. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can go ahead and click the link in my video description below to check out this opportunity that I'm a part of. If you got this in an email, there should be some buttons below this video where you can join the No Limit system. You choose from either the $25, $50, or the $100 level, the pro level. I joined the pro level just because it made the most sense to me. And if you want to know why it made the most sense to me, there's a link before those 3 buttons you can click on to see the differences between those levels. If you're on YouTube, you have to click on the link in my description below to actually get to the page I'm even talking about. If you're somebody that's in an opportunity and you're complaining because you haven't gotten any results, just remember, I, 6 years ago, got out of my bed because I was excited about getting 2 people that did not even make me sales. The person I got my first sale on, I remember their name still, is Joseph Kim. It was like, a whole month after I even got those first 2 people I was making a video about. Now, I can get you to the point where you're making money a lot faster than what it took me to start making money, but you can't give up and you have to just keep looking at the positive. At that time, I was only focused on the positive. I didn't say, oh, I only got 2 leads. Oh, I see everybody else like not making money in the system, you know, so I can't do it. No, that's not what I did. And I'm going to keep this mindset. I'm going to keep talking like this in my video until a lot of people get what I'm saying. All right, that's enough ranting from me. I just thought it'd be cool to share that video. Some of you guys think all of a sudden I'm getting all these results out of nowhere, but I'm showing you a little bit of where I started. So anyways, that's it. Click that link in the description below. You'll be hearing from me shortly.